With our third look in the Patriot Viper RGB lineup, we can come to a lot of the same conclusions that we did in the past. For one, this is a gamer-focused memory kit with its styling of the heat spreaders and full RGB lighting for illuminating your PC from the inside. The white aluminum heat spreader makes its appearance this time around, but the same silver snakehead logo and Viper branding also enforce this gamer-centric focus. However, we have the same quality Samsung chips with even higher frequencies at decent latency timings. In terms of performance, the higher frequency DDR4-4133 may not always reflect the best performance in our benchmarks, but there are definitely other factors that affect these numbers. When it comes to overclocking, it is clear we can continue to push these chips even further. With latency timings slightly relaxed, we were able to get up to DDR4-4333, which represents a 4.8% increase. While it may not sound like a whole lot, this is pretty impressive considering its stock XMP/DOCP profile is already pushing these chips pretty fast. With a reliable brand, lifetime warranty, solid set of B-dyed Samsung chips, and gaming looks, it is no surprise Patriot can continue to push out these kits. At a retail price of $135 US, this kit is priced competitively for memory operating at this speed and RGB lighting. Once again, Patriot has pushed their Viper RGB to a new limit, and their white DDR4-4133 is yet another well-performing kit for those looking for the last speed boost before DDR5 memory kits start showing up. The full review is linked in the video description below.